guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Mslynn Hair, and they sent me this BODYWAVE wig with like the kinky edges, baby hairs but not baby hairs type of wig. I think this wig is, I don't want to mistake it, I don't want to say the wrong information. So it is 24 inches, 13 by 4, 4C edges. It's 180% density, plus it is BODYWAVE. But before I jump into more specs of the wig, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So inside the package, they sent me some stocking cap, which I didn't use because I had one out. They also sent me extra elastic band. I didn't need this because there was already one inside the wig as well. They sent me a hot comb. But yeah, they also sent me, I don't know what this is. I think this is a bonnet, to be honest. I think it looks like a bonnet thingy. So it's definitely a bonnet, but just one of the bonnets that have the strap thingy that you could tie. Okay, so inside the pouch I got some, ooh girl. So inside the pouch I got some press on nails. I got this pouch. I know what's in this pouch. I think it is makeup brushes. Got some combs, which will work good with this hairstyle, you know. It'll give me the comb out that I'm actually going for. Period. They sent me some lashes and more headband. That's what I got into the package. Now for the wig and what I was trying to achieve first. So for this wig, I know because it's BODYWAVE here, I didn't want to put any, first of all, I didn't want it to look too shine because I didn't want it to look too different from the edges. Because the kinky edges, it's more of like natural drier textured hair, so it looks good on like curly hair, it looks good on like kinky straight hair, and you know kinky straight hair is not as silky as these type of hair. So what I end up doing, I did not put any oil, none of that silk chemical or silk products, I should say. I didn't put anything that was gonna make the hair silky because I wanted it dried and look as if I just got a silk press and my hair is like still poofy, hence why I didn't flatten the top. Like, you know, I did just some messy curls, combed it all, flip it over, just to give like a blowout type of vibes, because it just would not have gave if it was silky and flat and then the edges are like my natural edge, like no, it wouldn't have. So yeah, this was the look I went for because I just thought it would have went perfect with the edges. And if you guys want to see how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching. So hey babes, so this is the wig. Like, as you can see, it's very dense, and who's wearing the wig like that? Not me. So I went ahead and I added some mousse because it is the edges are kinky curly edges, so when you add the mousse or like a little bit of water, then you kind of see its natural texture. But right now it's just dried out from me bleaching the hair and like leaving it to dry on its own, like air dry. But yeah, I was just not into this thick hairline, so I went ahead and I added the mousse, and I went in and I pretty much just plucked out some of the baby hairs, like literally plucked out some of the edges because I was not doing that. So right now that's all I'm doing. I'm gonna still hot comb the hair, but the hot combing will be on the different texture of the hair, which is the more silkier texture. I won't be putting any hot comb on the front part because I don't want it to straighten the hair, because the hair is a curly textured hair, the edges I should say. So yeah, that's all I'm doing right now, just adding some mousse and pretty much just plucking out the baby hairs.
I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, this on Donda, on my mama, watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my all summer, all summer, 4-5 dollars, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the store and hours, like we planned it. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums. We took both, we took both, we took both, we took both. Born in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got status, excuse my manners, I got status, I got status, you want status, see more comments, and I see commas, nigga went tell me, we going down to, let me be honest, I'm one with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I'm one with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is down to, God's time can't fit on the wrist, Junior wanna have me on my move out of the way of my release, trying to get me off my cues and peace. Why can't losers never lose in peace? Ain't nobody around me losing sleep. Better find God before he find me. Tell the devil good night, go to sleep. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Insta. Just the on a hoodie, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I'll miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn baby girl, you know me.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the curve, in my dirt, 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 dirt. Try me, I deserve it. Nothing to have you lurking.
Yeah.
You make a walk, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, da, 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 da. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your past against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. It's in me, I feel why. You see me do my da 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 da. So me by that why. When you walk out, la 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 la. When the curve from my touch.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. That'll work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of way.
So this is the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would love to thank Mslynn here for sponsoring this video. The links to the wig will be down in the description box, so if you guys would love to purchase that, definitely check down below. For now, this is the end, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye.